Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy, Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Truepnl.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Guys, Truepnl.com is a blockchain-based ecosystem with products designed for traders, investors, and paradigm-shifting cryptocurrency projects. On this platform, guys, you can invest in crypto projects of the future with guaranteed allocation. This is their homepage here up in front of me, guys. You can see that they both invest in early-stage crypto projects. They have over 40,000 plus unique investors with over $5.1 million invested and over 24 million plus projects market cap and over 60 plus funds projects that have been funded. They got a lot of partners and backers, for instance, Gate.io, Harmony, Hacking, Dex Tools, Ethereum Network, OKC, Pools, DuckDAO, the list goes on, guys. Scroll down a little further, we can discover more about the projects that they're promoting. And the one in particular that I want to go over today, guys, is Consensys share contract. This project here is definitely up and coming, guys, and something that should not be overlooked. Sliding over to their dedicated page here on their website, Consensys, guys, is the leading Ethereum software company that enables developers, enterprises, and people worldwide to build next generation applications, launch modern financial infrastructure, and access the decentralized web. This is actually the first time when Truepnl is going to be hosting a late stage equity offering on Truepnl, meaning that you can invest in large businesses along with top tier investment professionals. This opportunity is to invest in a share interest contract backed by the actual shares of Consensys, just like stablecoins that are backed by actual dollars. So for instance, guys, invest along the top tier investment funds, including Amazon, JP Morgan, Coinbase, and others in a pre-IPO developer of MetaMask. 359 days left to invest. They close on August 22nd. $100, 10% of the minimum goal raised. $100 is the minimum investment and $149 share contract price. Now, when looking at Consensys at a glance, over 2,000 plus institutional customers and partners worldwide. They're #1 software provider for Web3, DeFi, NFT projects in the world, as well as MetaMask being the key Consensys product, the most popular crypto wallet in Web3 space. Some of their major investors, again, guys, MasterCard, JP Morgan, Microsoft, HSBC, USBS, and Coinbase. Now, guys, we scroll down for some more information about Consensys and the project embodied within Truepnl. This is the first time that they're hosting a late stage equity offering on Truepnl, meaning that you can invest in large businesses along with top tier investment professionals. This opportunity is to invest in a share interest contract backed by the actual Consensys shares, just like stablecoins are backed by actual dollars. $149 share contract price of the underlying asset gives you entry into Consensys at a valuation of $7 billion. This valuation is almost the same as the latest round in which Microsoft, SoftBank, and Parify Capital invested. They're answering FAQs like, what is the expected investment horizon? They're expecting 1 to 2 years before the exit. Can I get physical shares of Consensys? No, guys. There is a share contract in which you're going to receive an amount of USDT after the liquidation of the position. For example, if you bought one Consensys stock contract for $149 after the IPO, Truepnl liquidated the asset in the market for $235. The amount of $235 will be sent to your account. Your profit will be $86. And when does the exit happen? Exit occurs when Consensys goes public, and after a 183-day lockup period, they sell the underlying assets to distribute proceeds among the Truepnl investors. So when do I make a profit? You profit if the underlying assets are sold at a price higher than $149. What if Consensys doesn't go public? Well, guys, there is a chance of this. However, there will be ways for Truepnl to liquidate its position. Going over how it works here, guys, the sale started February 18th, sale closed, waiting for the IPO. Cliff 6 month is at their estimated IPO date of Q1 2024. Profit distribution 6 months after the IPO paid in USDT. When we examine a little more about the project, Consensys is a leading Ethereum software company that enables developers, enterprises, and people worldwide to build next generation applications, the launch of modern financial infrastructure, and access the decentralized web. Consensys product suite composed of Infura, Quorum, Truffle, CodeFi, MetaMask, and Diligence serves millions of users, supports billions of blockchain-based queries for their clients, and has handled billions of dollars in digital assets. Their CEO and founder is Mr. Joseph Lubin. He is also the co-founder of Ethereum. Year founded was 2014, guys, and his location is New York, USA. When it comes to their exponential revenue growth in dollars, 6.5 million 2017, 2.5 million 2018, 52.3 million in 2019, and the list goes on, guys. The numbers keep going up here. It's looking really good. I like it. It's really important to distinguish the fact that Consensys business model has two main divisions, guys. The first one is the Consensys software. This is the world's most extensive, diversified set of 6 core products in the form of infrastructure and software for secure customer participation in DeFi, NFT, DAO, and other Web3 projects. When it comes to their MetaMask, the key Consensys product and the most popular crypto wallet in the Web3 space, numbers of monthly active users is 30 plus million. Their audience, retail and institutional investors. Their revenue source is the commission of wallets transactions volume, with 55% of Consensys total revenue. Their partnership with Apple Pay from April of 2022. And when it comes to Infura, their scaling tools and APIs for the Ethereum network. API supports over 1 trillion in on-net ETH transactions. Developers use Infura, 430,000 revenue source subscription model. We got Truffle here testing the environment for application trials using Ethereum virtual machines. Truffle downloads, 4.8 million downloads. The revenue source subscription model. Customers, again, guys, JP Morgan, Microsoft, Amazon, Airbus, EY. And when it comes to diligence, there's smart contract audit, data leakage, and idle time protection software. $45 billion retained in smart contracts. Their audience is DeFi protocols developers, and their revenue piecework model. The last two here, guys, Code DeFi, tools for accelerated and simplified blockchain integration, digitalization of assets, and access to DeFi. Their corporate and institutional customers, their revenue sources piecework model, and creating digital currencies, CDBC, for Thailand, South Korea, Australia, Hong Kong, European Investment Bank. And there's also Quorum, who is enterprise blockchain management and scaling solutions. Their audience is corporate and institutional customers. Their revenue is piecework model, and their clients are Microsoft, Bosch, and Singapore Airlines. Number 2, guys, their Consensys Mesh. This is a business incubator, the venture capital arm of Consensys. Launched in 2015 with over 150 plus companies under their portfolio belt. They have task incubation. MetaMask was created in Consensys Mesh, managing a portfolio of digital assets across various Web3 DAO DeFi projects. And guys, are developing and improving proprietary technologies. We can't forget their Consensys Mesh portfolio, Atomic Finance, BlockFi, Compound, Genosis, Adhera, Aztec Protocol, and Starkware. Now, when it comes to the Consensys market, all of Consensys businesses is focused on serving the Ethereum platform and decentralized finance marketplace that is built for. Ethereum is the second largest blockchain in the world after Bitcoin, which is growing at an unprecedented rate. When looking at the Consensys perspectives, this is scaling exponentially and strengthening its market leadership position through acquisitions and investments in the most promising Web3 projects on the market, guys. We have their acquisitions here, their investments, and it should be noted that Consensys is one of the best exposures for growth in cryptocurrency market, with more than 2,000 institutional customers and a global presence with a diversified portfolio of products for easy and secure blockchain adoption in the business processes of corporations and countries. The Consensys leadership team, we have Mr. Joseph Lubin as the CEO, again, key co-founder of Ethereum since 2014, along with Vitaly Buterin. We have Simon Morris, who is the CSO, Rob Dawson, CTO, Chris McGibbon, COO, and Neil Gorovich, the CMO. In total, guys, over 700 plus employees and 20 offices worldwide. You can join the community of over 50,000 investors, guys. They're live on Telegram, Discord, Twitter, Medium, and YouTube. In conclusion, guys, it should be noted that the Consensys scale, along with investing with top-tier investment funds in a large-stage company that owns MetaMask. They opened the sale of tokenized Consensys shares through the PNL platform. $149 share price of the underlying asset gives you entry in Consensys at a valuation of approximately $7 billion. This is almost the same price as in the latest round. This is the first time that they host a late stage offering on Truepnl, meaning that you invest in a large business along with top tier investment professionals like Verify Capital, MasterCard, Amazon Web Services, JP Morgan Chase & Co., UBC, Coinbase, Marshall Wace, NJF Capital, Anthos Capital, Microsoft, Third Point Ventures, CoinHouse, and Decrypt. This opportunity is to invest in a share interest contract backed by the actual shares of Consensys, just like actual dollars backed by stablecoins, as I mentioned earlier in the video, guys. And how you get your users will get their shares. It's important to invest in yourself using the BSC test network, guys. You can check that out always by registering, and from there you can give it a go. A few other token sales that are going on, guys: the Legends of Area, the Iconic, and they also have a new referral program. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.